What if the universe has already coded specific numbers into your energy field this month? And all you need to do is recognize them. Welcome back to Buddhism Money Manifestation, the channel where ancient wisdom meets modern abundance thinking. I'm so glad you're here today because what we're diving into is something truly powerful. In May 2026, the cosmic energy is shifting dramatically. Planetary alignments are pushing every zodiac sign toward a unique numerical vibration. And when you align your actions, intentions, and decisions with these numbers, you open a direct channel to financial flow, opportunity, and manifestation acceleration. Today, I'm revealing the top 3 lucky numbers for every single zodiac sign this May. And I'll also explain how to actually use these numbers in your daily life to activate real results. So stay until the end, because your sign's numbers could completely change how May unfolds for you. Let's get into it. How lucky numbers work in manifestation. Before we go sign by sign, let me quickly explain the science and philosophy behind lucky numbers in manifestation. Numbers are not just mathematical symbols. Every number carries a vibrational frequency. This is the foundation of numerology, the study of how numbers relate to energy, personality, and universal patterns. When a number aligns with your zodiac sign's ruling planet and the current cosmic energy, like the planetary positions we have in May 2026, that number becomes a frequency amplifier. It shows up in your environment as a signal, a confirmation, a green light from the universe. Here's how you apply lucky numbers practically. Set intentions on those numbered days. If 7 is your number, the 7th, 17th, and 27th of May carry special weight for you. Use them in financial decisions, invoice amounts, timing of pitches, savings targets. Visualize them during meditation. See the number glowing in your mind's eye as you breathe into abundance. Write them down 3 times every morning. This simple act anchors the frequency into your subconscious. Now, let's go through every zodiac sign, starting with Aries and working all the way through Pisces. Lucky numbers for Aries in May 2026. Aries May is your month of bold moves. Mars, your ruling planet, is in an aggressive forward position, making you the most action-oriented sign this month. And your lucky numbers reflect exactly that energy. Number 9 is the number of completion and courage. Every time you see a 9 this month, it's the universe telling you to trust your instincts and close the loop on something you've been hesitating about. Number 18 reduces to 9. 1 plus 8 equals 9. Doubling its power, but adds a material dimension. It connects to financial harvest and earned rewards. Number 36 is the number of creative wealth. For Aries, this is specifically tied to opportunities in leadership, entrepreneurship, and bold new ventures. Manifestation tip for Aries. On the 15th, 18th, and 27th of May, write down exactly what you want to close. A deal, a decision, a chapter, and commit to it. Lucky numbers for Taurus in May 2026. Happy birthday season, Taurus. Venus, your ruling planet, is making this month exceptionally fertile for abundance. You are in your power right now. Number 6 is the number of harmony, beauty, and material comfort, deeply aligned with Taurus energy. When 6 appears for you this month, it signals incoming stability and reward. Number 15 carries the vibration of financial transformation. It's a number that says, something that looked uncertain is about to resolve in your favor. Number 24 is the number of long-term foundation building. For Taurus, this is about investments, property, and decisions that pay off over years, not just days. Manifestation tip for Taurus. Create a vision board or written list of your top 3 financial goals this month and place the numbers 6, 15, and 24 beside each goal. Review it each morning. Lucky numbers for Gemini in May 2026. Gemini, Mercury is working overtime for you in May. Communication is your superpower, and this month the right words spoken to the right people at the right time can open enormous doors. Number 5 is the number of change, freedom, and adaptability, perfectly Gemini. It signals that a shift is coming and your job is to stay flexible and ready. Number 14 is a number of independent achievement. For Gemini, this often shows up around media, writing, speaking, or business communication breakthroughs. Number 23 is considered one of the most fortunate numbers in numerology, called the Royal Star of the Lion vibration. For Gemini this May, 23 signals unexpected recognition or opportunity arriving from a direction you didn't predict. Manifestation, tip for Gemini. Speak your goals out loud every day this month. Your voice carries vibrational power in May. Say what you want, literally say it, and let the universe hear you. Lucky numbers for Cancer in May 2026. Cancer, the moon is your guide, and in May 2026, lunar energy is exceptionally supportive for your emotional alignment with abundance. When your emotions and your goals are in sync, manifestation becomes effortless for you. 2 is the number of partnership, receptivity, and divine timing. Don't force things this month, Cancer. Allow, receive, trust. 11 is a master number, one of the most powerful in all of numerology. For Cancer in May, 11 is a signal that your intuition is operating at peak accuracy. Trust what you feel, not just what you see. 29 is the number of spiritual wisdom leading to material reward. It's a number that says, your inner work is about to pay off in the outer world. Manifestation tip for Cancer. On May 11th and 29th, spend at least 10 minutes in quiet reflection, journaling about what you truly desire and what old emotional blocks you're ready to release. These are your most powerful manifestation days. Lucky numbers for Leo in May 2026. Leo, the sun is yours, and in May, your natural magnetism is dialed all the way up. People are drawn to your energy, and the universe is spotlighting your path. Number 1 is the number of new beginnings, leadership, and pure manifestation power. For Leo, 1 this month means you are the first mover, the pioneer. Don't wait for permission. Number 10 represents the completion of one cycle and the beginning of something new at a higher level. It's a graduation number. Something in your life is leveling up in May. Number 19 is the Prince of Heaven number in ancient numerology. It signals success after effort, and specifically for Leo, it's connected to recognition, visibility, and being seen for your true worth. Manifestation tip for Leo. Take at least one bold, visible action this month that represents your biggest goal. Post it, announce it, commit publicly. Your boldness activates the energy of 1, 10, and 19. Lucky numbers for Virgo in May 2026. Virgo, Mercury gives you extraordinary mental clarity this month. While others are dreaming, you are planning. And this month, your plans have unusual power. Number 5 for Virgo carries a different energy than for Gemini. Here, 5 is about practical shifts and strategic pivots that lead to efficiency and increased output. Number 14 is your number of financial intelligence this month. Decisions made with careful analysis under the vibration of 14 tend to compound over time. Number 32 is a special Virgo number in May. It's connected to service, precision, and being rewarded for the quality of your work. If you have been putting in careful, detail-oriented effort, May is when it begins to be recognized. Manifestation tip for Virgo. Create a detailed written plan for your financial goals this month. The act of writing it precisely and specifically, not vaguely, is your manifestation ritual. Specificity is Virgo's superpower. Lucky numbers for Libra in May 2026. Libra, Venus blesses you with beautiful social energy in May. Relationships, personal and professional, are your abundance pathway this month. Number 6 for Libra is the ultimate harmony number. In May, it signals that balance between giving and receiving is about to click into place for you. Number 15 carries transformative financial vibration for Libra specifically. It often shows up when a negotiation, contract, or agreement is about to tip in your favor. Number 33 is the most powerful master number, the number of the master teacher and abundant giver. For Libra in May, 33 signals that generosity and fair dealing will return to you multiplied. Manifestation tip for Libra. This month, invest energy in a key relationship, professional or personal, where you have been meaning to give more. That intentional act of balance is what activates your lucky number energy. Lucky numbers for Scorpio in May 2026. Scorpio, Pluto is deepening your transformation process in May, and your numbers this month reflect powerful depth, intensity, and breakthrough energy. Number 8 is the universal number of abundance, power, and financial mastery. Turned on its side, it becomes infinity. For Scorpio, 8 in May is a signal that you are entering an abundance cycle, if you align with it consciously. Number 17 is called the Star of the Magi in Numerology, a highly fortunate number connected to spiritual alignment, leading to material success. For Scorpio, 17 in May often marks a turning point. Number 26 carries the vibration of partnership-based wealth. For Scorpio, this could mean a collaboration, a joint venture, or support from someone in your network that accelerates your financial path. Manifestation tip for Scorpio. Write the number 8 somewhere you see it every day this month. Your phone wallpaper, your journal cover, your desk. Let it remind you that abundance is your natural state. Lucky numbers for Sagittarius in May 2026. Sagittarius Jupiter, the planet of expansion and luck, is giving you extra support in May. You are one of the luckiest signs this month, but luck still requires action. Number 3 is the number of growth, creativity, and expansion. Pure Jupiter energy. For Sagittarius, 3 in May means the bigger you dream, the more the universe supports you. Number 12 is a number of spiritual completion and higher understanding. For Sagittarius, 12 often signals that a limiting belief is dissolving, and with it, a financial ceiling is lifting. Number 21 is the number of victory through faith. It's a deeply fortunate number for Sagittarius, specifically connected to travel, publishing, teaching, and philosophy-based ventures. Manifestation tip for Sagittarius. This month, expand your vision. Write down a goal that feels slightly too big. Then write it again, bigger. Jupiter rewards those who think beyond the obvious. Lucky numbers for Capricorn in May 2026. Capricorn, Saturn, your planet of discipline and long-term reward, is delivering results in May. This is a month where your patience and hard work begin to crystallize into real, tangible outcomes. Number 8 for Capricorn is the ultimate reward number. Career advancement, financial gain, recognition of expertise. In May, the 8 vibration is particularly strong for you. Number 10 signals completion and promotion. For Capricorn, something you have been building is reaching its first major milestone this month. Number 28 is the number of leadership and earned authority. For Capricorn in May, 28 often appears when a promotion, a new client, or a major opportunity tied to your professional reputation is approaching. Manifestation tip for Capricorn. On May 8th, 10th, and 28th, review your long-term financial plan. These are your power days for strategic decisions, not impulsive ones. Capricorn manifests through structure. Lucky numbers for Aquarius in May 2026. Aquarius, Uranus is sparking innovation and breakthrough thinking for you in May. Your best opportunities this month will come from thinking differently than everyone around you. Number 4 is the number of structure, foundation, and practical innovation. For Aquarius, 4 is a reminder that your big ideas need a real foundation to stand on, and May is the time to build it. Number 11, as a master number for Aquarius in May, signals heightened intuitive intelligence and the ability to see patterns others miss. Trust your unique perspective. It's an asset, not a liability. Number 22 is the master builder number, the most powerful number in numerology for creating lasting material results. For Aquarius in May, 22 says, "Your vision is big enough. Now build the system around it." Manifestation tip for Aquarius: identify the most unconventional solution to your biggest current financial challenge. The answer that seems too strange or too bold is probably the right one this month. Lucky numbers for Pisces in May 2026. Pisces, Neptune deepens your intuitive and creative gifts in May, and the universe is asking you to trust your inner knowing more than external logic this month. Number 7 is the most spiritual number in numerology, and for Pisces in May, it is extraordinarily powerful. Every time 7 appears for you this month, it is a confirmation that you are on the right path, even if you cannot yet see the destination. Number 16 carries a vibration of unexpected revelation for Pisces. Something hidden comes to light, and this revelation opens a new financial path or closes a cycle that has been draining your energy. Number 25 is the number of spiritual wisdom applied to the physical world. For Pisces, 25 in May signals that your creative or spiritual gifts are about to become financially valuable in a new way. Manifestation tip for Pisces: spend time in creative expression this month. Art, music, writing, visualization. Your creativity is not separate from your abundance. For Pisces, it is the abundance channel. So there you have it, the top 3 lucky numbers for every single zodiac sign in May 2026. But here's the most important thing I want to leave you with today. Lucky numbers are not magic buttons. They are alignment signals. They work when you bring intention, awareness, and action to them. The universe responds to those who are paying attention, and by watching this video, you already are. Here are your 3 steps to activate your lucky numbers this month. Step 1. Write your 3 numbers somewhere you will see them every single day. Step 2. On the days in May that match your numbers, take one intentional action toward your biggest financial goal, no matter how small. Step 3. When you see your numbers appear randomly in your environment, a receipt, a license plate, a timestamp, treat it as a confirmation. Say to yourself, "I am in alignment. Abundance is flowing to me." That simple mental shift is what separates people who use numerology as entertainment from people who use it as a manifestation tool. If this video resonated with you, please give it a like. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who are ready to align with abundance. And if you're new here, subscribe and hit the bell. Every week, we explore the intersection of cosmic energy, manifestation principles, and financial mindset to help you build the life you know you're meant to live. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay intentional, stay aligned, and remember, your numbers are speaking. All you have to do is listen.